Hello guys, in this video I am going to unbox latest version of Chromecast. Before unboxing it, we should know what is Chromecast and what are its use. So Chromecast is a device using which you can directly stream your smartphone content on your TV. It is very helpful device for a person who wants to play games or watch movies on a big screen. So let's get started. Let's open it. So here we can see that there is an instruction card, so you can read it on your own. And here we can see that it is Google's latest Chromecast. So let's see it. So here you can see this magnet, which is pretty cool. Here you can see the Chrome logo, which is also pretty good. So next we have this micro USB cable, which is used to charge this Chromecast. We can attach it to the TV's USB port, or we can simply plug it into any socket. So let's now set it. Now this Chromecast is connected. So now we can stream our smartphone content on our TV. So let's test it. Let's listen to some music. Let's play the world famous song, Despacito. So it is working fine. Let's play world famous game, Clash of Clans. I think this is also working fine. So we can say that Chromecast is a good device. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and like our video.